Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download and install Battlegrounds Mobile India application on your iOS device. Battlegrounds Mobile India is a version of PUBG Mobile exclusively available for India. So the first thing to do in order to download the app is to go visit your app store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Battleground Mobile India. Once you come across the search result, look for this application from Crafton Inc. and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the application on your device. Wait for the application to download and install and you can start enjoying the game. That is how you can easily download Battlegrounds Mobile India application on your iOS device in a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.